Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn and today I am back with another unboxing. If you're new, please subscribe, and to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for returning, and let's get into today's unboxing. Okay, so I got another item from Loewe. It was delivered in this box by DHL, and yeah, it is in this beautiful packaging. I got this item from the Loewe website, and this is the paperwork. I think this is such a cool way of presenting the paperwork. Let me see. Yeah, so it's just a small A5 page with everything you need. This is the information for returns, and the other stuff is my personal details. Anyway, so this is the box. I'm going to open it. The ribbon off. So the box has the anagram and just Loewe logo there, and yeah, basically that's that. And then it opens like this, and there's the item. I actually thought about the casing for this item, it covered this pouch. I'm not really crazy about this pouch, but I guess they've got good reasons to put it in this one. So this is the pouch. This is a pair of sunglasses. This is the pouch. It's very soft and mushy. It's gonna force me to use maybe like a bigger bag. Yeah, and then there's the Loewe logo or embossing, and this is the item. This item, I've been thinking about it for, I think, since Jan. I saw a video of this American lady and I fell in love immediately, but I had to move cautiously because economic situation, but sometimes you must just let go and live your life. So these are the sunnies. They are called the double frame, I think, double frame sunglasses. And let me remove the plastics on the arms, and they have the Loewe logo on either side. The outer frame is black, and then there's an inner one with the gold trim, but there's only one lens, and the one lens is on the gold trimmed frame, or the gold trimming. Hey. Anyway, that's how they look. Let me try them on. Hope di tla ntshwanela. I'm not sure, but I like them. I actually like them. I like them. Anyway, so these are, the fit of them is just so perfect. Like, they are not falling off my face. They're snug. They're not too tight. I like them. Anyway, so that's the unboxing of my new Loewe Mazaza, and I just wanted to share this because in the last video I didn't. This is the dust cloth, but Loewe and any LVMH brand has their sunglasses made by Telios. Telios is a sunglass design company or manufacturing company for the LVMH. So this is another look of the Loewe Mazaza double frame, a cat eye type of feel. And yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you think diantwanela. But I think diantwanela. Anyway, from now on, there'll be no more shopping. I will resume the finance content. Hope you guys will be back for that content, and thank you again for watching. Bye.